Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka All India Trinamool Congress Meghalaya Unit kabari ka seng ka basong hakalyang persya hapo ki dorbar thao an kala dawa ka jing tokit halor ki jing kenno jong ka Congress ki baong ba ka seng NPP ka basin syar hapo ka jela kala pendon kambe an ka pisan ka bentaban kring ya ki weipat ki MLA na ki weipat ki seng san perthei Menteri Rang Ba Barim ke jela ubalong ru nong yalam jong TMC Dr Mukul Sangma ulapen pau ke jing sukhya halor ke jing kenno ki ba klem nong rim jong ka Congress ki ba pen i pakai NPP ke don keti haki kam be an ki ba kin thup ya ka pisa drop ke jing ti do yong be an bad ru ke jing le thok ya ki kam contract nakalyang sangma ula kintu ya ka sarkar bakan tuklar lem halor gini ke jing kenno kiba ka seng Congress kala kenno badru lo banjur halor ki jingdon kam kiba kade ban le haba ya keren bat kilat pathai khubor na kalyang usang ma ulapen paru da ka baong ba kani ka jingkenno ka kta ya ker kom sensar pat ba da ka ba kado ba ka jing her jong kinong persha ha ki yeng dor bar ka bala ban bo jing ma ya ka jing klan badru ka jing long jing man ka ban ne jong ka jing sensar pat ba ha ka jila kini ki jing sukhya kilami hadin ba ka jing kenno jong u Presiden Jong ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala. Ubala keno bagi NPP kalak khnyot bean ya ki laingot ki MLA Jong ke Congress da ke bependon kam da ki buj pensneu bean. Shushu sangma ula kedauru halor ke jingdon joki kam bean hanong ba shlong kamtam haki jaka kum khandailat ke bapen i ba ki bakum gini gijat kam kimla banjia klem kanu kuno ke jing kershan jong kinure kinu ki bedan hakabo.
People have to ask them, are you really engaging in these illegalities? Something which is of a great concern for the state and the people. If there are reasons to believe that illegal monies are being used, then where are these illegal monies coming from? And the illegal monies from what? So that means the people have to ask questions. The government has to come clean on this. They cannot just keep quiet. They cannot just shy away. It's a very, very serious allegation. Because if the allegations are true, then you can understand what kind of future we are going to see unfolding in the coming years. And I have also reasons to believe, based on whatever inputs I am getting. You go to Police Bazaar in the evening, you go. I am told, I am asked to go and see. Go anywhere in different parts of Shillong. You will see what kinds of illegalities are happening, and it is happening right in this capital city. Is it something which really which can happen with such an impunity unless there is some patronage? Therefore, as these allegations have come, the government and the leadership must come clean on this. And I urge an investigation on this front. There are 3 allegations. 3. One is on illegal money coming from alleged illegal money coming from drug. Another one is alleged illegal money coming from illegal mining. And another one, manipulation of contract work. So, if these 3 allegations have come, and therefore there is a need, the House should discuss it. Yeah, the House should discuss it. Where are the? I was looking at, the spaces available under the rules of procedure and conduct of business. Where do we get this chance to discuss? The only chance is through an adjournment motion and under a no confidence motion against the government. These are the only 2 provisions. So we'll have to examine all these available spaces, but then given the kind of situation now in the August House, it is, we'll have to know how to deal with the situation. So in a way, the whole drama that has unfolded into this recent development, political development, indirectly has a resultant impact on the balance of the whole ecosystem in our healthy democratic practice.